Good morning, everyone. Time for my weekly trade recap. This week I took two trades, two losses, and I blew my funded account. So I'm going to go over the trades I took, things I could have looked for and will look for in the future. So, first on NQ, I took a short on Tuesday after Labor Day, and this is what the 4 hour chart looks like. We swept these August 20 lows and a 6 a.m. candle, and that immediately made me start looking for a long opportunity, a reversal up to here, because this is the trend I thought we were going to do. This is my point on liquidity that I thought we were drawing to next. So that's what I started looking for. If we drop down, we had the valid C2 closure, this sweep below, and then close above as well. That's a really strong bullish candle. But then after entering this long, I got stopped out pretty quickly. Things to look for and change in the future. Looking for a reversal on the high time frame. Well, looking for a reversal intraday trade requires a reversal high time frame structure. When we take out a low on the high time frame, after expanding, you can expect a new phase of price. So after expanding and taking out the draw on liquidity, I should have waited for the high time frame structure to build out a bullish trend, because I took the trade on this candle. So I saw this bearish close candle. It had a large wick, which was convincing enough for me to take the trade, but this wick or this candle here, we just kept trending lower, and then we didn't get bullish structure till technically we closed above here, which would be like right here, because we need to close above this set of opposing candles that make the sweep of liquidity. So I should have waited for that in hindsight. Not terribly disappointed with the loss. This is what the actual entry looked like. So it looked pretty clean. I was just aiming for a 1-to-1 of this high. We had a fair value gap here and then closed above right here, and I anticipated we would take this high, but we did not. So that was my trade for Tuesday. Moving on to, I think, Wednesday. I think I traded the day after. Yep. Let's look at the daily here. Where is it? There it is. Okay. After making this sweep on NQ, we took this low, so there's technically an SMT right here, here to here. So I was anticipating we go higher, which we did. But after me taking the long and losing and looking at this candle, I anticipated, okay, we're going lower because we closed below here, which is really, honestly, it's just conflicting biases. I should have really sat both Tuesday and Wednesday out because we took that low, and you should wait for new structure to form, realistically speaking. And I didn't do that. I didn't do that at all. And that was a mistake. I didn't do that because I thought the 4 hour would be enough, and I thought the hourly would be enough, and it just simply wasn't. Like here, I saw this bullish structure form right here, but we didn't close above here. I should have waited till we had a close above here on the 4 hour, or if we had strong daily structure, like if this closed up here inside this wick, inside Friday's range, that would have made it a better trade, but I didn't wait for that either. I was just looking to put a trade on, and without the high time frame structure, both of them really just lost, which I guess you could say I had it coming by not waiting for the structure. So after the daily, I was looking for short opportunities. Forget how I took this one. Yeah, this is honestly a really, really bad trade. I think I was pretty emotionally speaking, in this trade. Not like I followed all rules and I followed all mechanics. There was no rules that I broke. It's a completely valid trade mechanically speaking, but the intuition and the bias, the narrative were all kind of sloppy, which is why I'm actually taking a break now for the next week. So there will be no weekly recap next week because I'm just kind of saying, all right, I need to sharpen my narrative, sharpen my bias, and refine my mindset. I put a sticky note on my wall saying that I'm chasing money and it is actively ruining any chance in actually making money. Process is the focus. Because that's what I've been doing. This is really obvious to see now after the fact. Expansion, retracement, expansion. This is slow, and this is sloppy, and this is gross. That is not expansion. So, pretty poor trade. Reflecting on it. It's difficult because we do get close to or sometimes hit the draw on liquidities. Like yesterday, we did hit the draw. This day, we didn't. Maybe we did on NQ. I don't know. No, we hit some, but not the full. So sometimes the draw can be right, but the timing is poor, and that's just because it's not in alignment. This is not A plus price action to be trading, so pretty poor trading this week, honestly. I've been doing a lot of reps and watching candles print and practicing my narrative abilities and just looking at the daily time frame, going day by day, and getting better through that. So tough week. Next week, no trades. Taking it off, resetting mindset, and coming back hopefully stronger than before. So I changed my I changed my chart colors, so I should be profitable now. Anyways, hopefully you guys did better than me this week, and on to the next.